Hi everyone, this is Holly from Hot Humble Pie. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and a big warm hello to my subscribers. Well, today we are going shopping at Dollar General to see what's new. It's been about a year since I've been there, and as always, I hope you enjoy the show. So the first thing we are looking for today are items priced at $1 that beats the Dollar Tree. So the first thing I came into here were the solar lights. They are $1 instead of $1.25, but they are smaller than the Dollar Tree. They were not so last year, so that was a bit disappointing. They've definitely miniaturized them. So be forewarned, but if you're not concerned about that, they are only $1. Their vinyl placemats are still $1. I did a video last summer on vinyl placemat hacks. It was a very fun video. If you missed it, I will leave it down below in my description box so that you can go and check it out. They also have some spoon rests for $1 and plastic cutlery sets for $1 in different colors, which is fun for picnics or camping. That's nice. And this dish drying mat, as far as I know, the last time I checked, is still $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. So that is a better deal at the Dollar Tree. As you can see, it's $3 at Dollar General. So they also had these plastic trays right here, which I was pretty excited about. I actually have a DIY idea for this tray, and it was only $1. So I ended up going for the darker blue one. I don't know why. The turquoise one is I don't know if that's turquoise. Maybe that's like a soft blue-green teal color. I'm not sure. But either one would work for the DIY that I have planned. So if you live near a Dollar General, pick one up. Here's the wood stakes that are $1 that are so great for crafting. I went ahead and grabbed a bunch of these, but you do have to be really careful and make sure that they're straight. So I just hold them up like this and try to get the ones that are as straight as possible, because obviously if they're warped, it's going to make crafting a lot more difficult. These napkins were also $1. These are great picnic napkins, and of course they have tablecloths, and it's all patriotic stuff. They have these little cute costume rings. It's like costume jewelry for children. That's $1. They have some hair clips that are $1, little butterflies. They have these refrigerator magnets, which were super cute for $1. I thought they're just, these you can actually make DIYs with. They make fun gifts. They make great things to kind of put in a gift basket. So I'm just showing you each one in case you're interested in getting any. I'm just going to hold up each one real quick so you can read what's on it in case you're interested in going and checking it out. They have a whole collection of jewelry making things at the Dollar General, which I don't think they have at the Dollar Tree. If they do, it's not in these colors because these are pretty bright, so I would have noticed this. But they do go up in price. They start at $1 and then they end at the bottom there, as you saw, for $5. Now, this was a great find for me. I have been looking for these ice cube trays that have the little like soft, squishy bottom so you can push it out. I actually juice fresh ginger, and then I put my ginger inside those little cubes like that and pop them out as I need them inside my tea. I mix it with green tea. It tastes so good, you guys. Anyway, they have these cute little bottles for $1, which are much bigger than the Dollar Tree with little cork tops. I thought that was cute. They have mason jars, or they call it a glass pint jar, but these are at the Dollar Tree and they are $1.25, so they are cheaper at Dollar General. They have these door hangers. I don't know, you could probably do a DIY with these maybe. They're in the crafting section. So this Dollar General was very messy and things were out of order, and what I did when I edited this video was try and put all of the $1 things together so that we can kind of get that out of the way, because that's really what people are looking for, is a bargain when they walk in there. And also they have good prices on home decor too, but these are the things that are competitive with Dollar Tree. So they have these grip mats that are also $1. And here are the dish towels. Super cute, but they are very thin. They almost feel kind of like a thin muslin, but they're not. They're like a polyester. They are very thin though, but super cute prints. And of course they have the more expensive sets next to it. There's like 2, but unfortunately I can't say 2 for something because I looked everywhere. I could not find a price for these anywhere, so I don't know what the price is. Please forgive the blinking too. They had a fluorescent light above that just kept going on and off while I was filming, so you will see an occasional blink. Sorry about that. And of course their toiletry section, shampoos, body things, just random fun stuff, is $1. It was last year. That totally beats the Dollar Tree, so you should definitely check here for those kind of things first because you'll find some real gems. They have flushable wipes there for those of you that use that. Baby wipes, that is great for crafting. In fact, I think it is a crafting essential. I went ahead and picked up the Fisher-Price ones because they are 99% water, and those are my favorite for crafting. Here's some dollar bowls, 2 for $1. That would make a great DIY, 50 cents. You cannot beat that. In fact, I wish I bought those. I don't know what I was thinking. I actually have an idea for those, and I will have to go back and get them. But that is a great deal. The paintbrushes are more expensive than Dollar Tree, so for Dollar Tree, that's a better deal. But down here, they do have some drop cloths for $1. They have these super cute printed aprons for $5. I got one for crafting because I thought this was a great deal right here. They only had 2 left. And now we are going into the home decor. I was curious what's different from last year. And the light that blinks is right above the home decor, so I apologize again. But here are these lanterns, and they had quite a few. They were all over the place, so what I did when I edited the video was put them all together so we can kind of stay in a theme. These are the Dollar General lanterns. So that was $12. This one's $5. That one would work with modern decor. That's kind of like a cross, or maybe modern farmhouse, but that's definitely a cross between like a rustic and modern. Here's a tray for $12. They do have trays like this in the Dollar Tree Plus section for $5, but they do not have the metal handles, but you could add your own handle. So for the price, I wasn't sure that was a great price for that. They have lots of word signs, lots. So they still must be selling because the lady said she stocks them all the time. I don't know what that other thing was supposed to be because half of it is missing, but it looked like maybe it was a tiled window. And here's some of their wall decor. And what I was really impressed with were the flowers. The silk flowers are super high-end looking. They remind me very much of Hobby Lobby flowers. I wish they had some just plain leaves like olive branches and that kind of stuff that's also in and really elegant. But look at this. They are so beautiful. They run about $6, but they are very beautiful. Here is a candlestick with faux aged copper, and I just want to show you guys because I actually think I did a better job on my last DIY in my Pringle can video. I think I did a better job than this. So if you didn't see that video, go check it out. But here are all of their lanterns and all of their like electrical stuff that's similar. Those are ones that hang from the ceiling that I went through really quick for $25 each. This is another version of the one I held up before for $12. And they have these right here. Again, they're plug-in ones for $20. The plug-in ones are very beautiful, but they do run between $20 and $25. This was over in the solar light section, so I believe that's a solar light. This is another lantern meant for a candle for outdoors, maybe a citronella candle to keep bugs away, but very, very pretty for $5. In the garden section, same area, they have this really big one which drew me right away. I thought this was so pretty for outdoors, but it was $15. I felt like that was a little bit overpriced. I wasn't willing to pay that much for it, even though it was really nice. I felt like maybe it was more like for Dollar General, I paid $13 for that. But it is a candle holder at the bottom because you can see the one at the very bottom there has glass. And I screenshot this, I froze it so you can see there's $1 succulents there, so grab those up. Those are cheaper than the Dollar Tree. I'm moving on to the modern decor right now. These are vases. That one's $10. The other two are $12. I think the one on the far right that I just showed you, though, could be used for farmhouse decor or modern farmhouse decor for sure, or boho, either one, if you decorated it the right way. I think it even could go with French country. It depends how you decorate it. Loved this one as well for $10, but Don't think it fits into my decor theme, but very, very nice. At the end of this same aisle, I found two more modern vases I thought would be nice to show. They did not have a price on, unfortunately, but I'm guessing they'll be between $10 to $12 because that seems to be the theme. There's a $10 boho feather, also great for modern decor. And this beautiful, softly colored amber glass vessel or vase for $12. And these were really unusual. I wish I had bought this one. It has like a Norse theme or feel to it. My husband would have really liked this because it's very masculine, only $10. I think it's a candlestick holder, but I wish I had gotten that. Here's another modern vase, $8. So that was one of the lower price ones, and it could be the one that I saw before it was $8. I didn't realize they went down that low, but great for modern decor. They have a lot more modern decor things in stock than they did last summer. That was the big change that I noticed. Here are these decorative storage baskets, but I think they're nice just for decor, and they're nesting baskets. So they have them in two different colors. The smallest one is $4, and they go up in $2 increments. So 4, 6, 8, and 10. I would have liked the gray one. I put it back again. I'm looking now, and I wish I had bought that, but I didn't. Here's some seagrass wrapped around a metal frame. You could make something like this if you had seagrass with the Dollar Tree metal baskets, but it would be a different shape, of course, but very nice. And here are $12 baskets, which I think are priced spot on because they are functional, like for a trash can or something. They're really nice for storage. And I'm just showing you the different prices of the baskets. They have so many, you would definitely have to go check it out. They have so many different styles, but they definitely run between $10, $12, and $14. Here's a metal basket, and it's also a nested type basket. Well, you don't have to buy the set, but the biggest one is 16 and the smaller one on the inside is 14. And I ended up picking this one up for $10. I thought it would come in handy for storage in a bathroom. I just love seagrass. Here are the metal buckets, which were trending really hot about 3 years ago, but the lady told me they're still selling, and they've come down in price. That is a big, functional storage type container for $10. I actually thought that was a very good deal. We're in the planter section now. This is actually for plants, but it's $8, and I moved it to the basket section here because it definitely kind of comes in theme with the seagrass. But here's the planters. They run about $10. Dollar Tree on this one is definitely priced better because they have the same size big planters in the dollar section, the dollar plus section for $5. And this mat here, just got done saying how much I love seagrass. I loved this woven charger, so I went ahead and grabbed it for $3. And they had this unusual toilet roll holder, which I thought was kind of neat. It's an organizer and a holder all in one, and it was only $12. The arched windows are still trending. These are smaller, they're $12, but they still have the windows type, the window type windows, I guess, for wall hangings. This one was meant to hold photos. I think that was really nice. And this $12 one I loved. I actually grabbed this. I'm going to show you. It's not that small, and it was only $12. It's a lot taller. Look at that. That was a great deal, so I went ahead and grabbed one of those. You can never have too many arched windows. This one had like a wicker basket around it, and it was like more of a modern theme inside, like a garden theme almost. And of course they had the windows that had the mirrors, and those are always functional too because you can use them for actual mirrors. And of course if you're into feng shui, that gives a nice dimension and depth to a room. They have beautiful clocks at the Dollar General. They did last year, and I think they're very reasonably priced because they're kind of like little collector clocks. They're unusual. So this one was only $10. And then they had this wall hanging shelf here for $18. They had that metal frame house right there that you can see it has little metal plant pots to hold succulents. That was kind of cute. And then this was $10. It was a bottle carrier. So I guess it's kind of like a cute way maybe to carry bottles in for a party. Here is a modern ceramic vase for $8. It probably is meant for the kitchen, but I think it would make a really cute vase. as well, like to hold some kind of plants if you're doing the modern decor. And that recipe box was a great deal at $3. If you store your recipe in boxes, that is so worth it. Go grab one of those. Here is a candle holder for $7 that was kind of unique. It's very contemporary. And the milk can. This didn't have a price on, but I'm almost willing to bet you it's $8 or $10, somewhere in there, but they're still selling, and I really loved this cake stand. It was $12, but it was so heavy and unusually rustic. That looks kind of like something I feel like you'd find in Hansel and Gretel cottage or something. It just looked very woodsy, like a woodmaker made it or something, I don't know. And here is a canister for $10. These are the ones with the lids that you can put flour in or cookies in, anything you want for your counter, just decorative. And here's some more modern ones that are a bit more sleek with bamboo lids for $8. This dish was worth showing because it weighs a ton. Like, I almost dropped it. It's that heavy. It was $10, but all of those little black streaks through it, kind of what DIYers do with nail polish, I just thought that is brilliant. If you love modern decor, that is a great piece right there. And they had this traveling folding tray, which I thought was really cute. Super lightweight for $5. You could give it to your kids to eat on, or you if you want to stop. So you know how sometimes you go sightseeing and you just want to go eat something in your car and stop for a bit? I thought those were great. Here are some lemons right here for $5. There are 12 pieces. That is definitely a better deal than the Dollar Tree, because I believe when I went to the Dollar Tree last time I paid $1.25 for each piece of fruit. So that is a steal. Here's the craft section. They don't have much. As you can see, it's very picked over. I tried to zone in on the things that I thought were worthwhile. This is a wood sign plaque. Very heavy, very unusual too, because it actually has pegs. So you have these little wood pegs, see the holes right there, and it goes in like that. I would definitely glue it with wood glue, but it was only $5, and it was nice and thick and heavy, very good for $5. Now the wood trays, they have these at the Dollar Tree Plus section for $5. This was not a good deal. This is $8.50, and you can get a better deal at Dollar Tree. They have these wallets for $8. They're not bad at all. They have like a zipper and different pockets inside. And then they have some of these novelty shorts and shirts in patriotic colors for $5. They have this girl's, I think it's a jewelry box. It was $8. That is definitely something that you could buy and DIY it to cover it up if you didn't want it to be for children. Look at that. You could make that look like those little post office boxes, which would be cute. But this candle impressed me. It said it was honey lavender, but it would make such a beautiful gift. The box was stunning. The smell was so beautiful. It almost smelled like it had beeswax in it. Unfortunately, I'm going to show you in a minute here how it did not list the ingredients because I went to look for that. Nothing. So I don't know what it's made out of, but it would make a beautiful gift for sure. If you have a Dollar General around you, it is definitely worth checking out. They definitely have some very competitive prices. I hope you had fun with me shopping and looking around. And if you did, give it a thumbs up. And I will see you soon, friends, in the next video. Until then, breathe deep, fret not, and do things that make you happy.